Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you the brand new KYMCO AK 550 premium version. It's a 2023 model. It's a scooter which is designed for long commutes, everyday commute. It's super comfortable, super powerful, a lot of technology, good brakes, good suspension, electronic windshield, all the things that you want on a scooter you do have on this AK Premium. First things you can see, it's very similar to another brand. We are talking about the T-Max, but I'm going to mention a few differences between both of them. For that, I'm going to take a look at my notes. For instance, the T-Max, the seat height it's higher, then it's less weight, the T-Max. The tank it's smaller than on the AK. It's less powerful for the T-Max. We have 47, here we have 51, and here we have 52 newtons. On the T-Max we have 56 newtons torque. Basically those are the main things that I want to mention. We're gonna have this scooter also in two colors here in my country, and since I am here, we're gonna start here with the front, where we do have this windscreen, which is really nice for a tall guy, adjusted electronically. The mirrors are retractable. I do prefer the system they have on the CV3, but again, it is what it is. All the lights, everything, it's LED, dynamic running lights, upside down suspension, 41 millimeters, two discs, 270 millimeters with clippers from Bimbo with 4 pistons, and to complete this front set, we will have this aluminum 15 inches rims with the Dunlop Sport Max dimensions 120/70. Moving to the rear of the motorcycle, we do have this nice and comfortable seat. We have a backrest for the rider, so this is keyless. I do have the keys here in my pocket. So, and I have a button here on the dash. I can open the seat and we can adjust this backrest. So we have a little latch here inside underneath the seat. We press it and we can move this backrest front and back. Something that I like more on the CV3, it's an easier system. Again, since it is open, you can see the inside. We do have storage compartment, more than on the CV3, a full face helmet and maybe gloves or a little pouch or something like that. So it's something that it is improved also. More things, handles for the pillion, everything with good quality. We do have the lights, everything it's LED, like in the front. Really nice exhaust with a really good sound. Then we do have this side shock absorber also. Everything works perfectly here. One disc, 260 millimeters with clippers from Bimbo with 2 pistons. The ABS-I, which is basically the Corning ABS on this scooter. And to complete this set, we do have this 15 inches rim with the same tires at the front, the Dunlop Sport Max. In this case, the dimensions 160/60. The seat height, it's 785 millimeters, so everyone will reach the floor on this beautiful scooter. We do have full capacity 14.5 liters. So we're gonna say if you spend 5 liters every 100 kilometers, around 250, 280 kilometers range, then it's gonna be more or less, depends how you treat this throttle, because this scooter, it has really interesting performance. Total weight, 238 kilograms, again, 40 kilograms lighter than the CV3, however, it is 18 kilograms heavier than the T-Max. Other things here, we do have this beautiful engine. It has really nice performance. We are talking a 2-cylinder engine, liquid cooled, 550 cc's, which has 51 horsepower at 7,550, 52 newtons at 6,000 RPMs. Of course, we are talking about the Euro 5 engine nowadays. The transmission, it's a belt, as you can see here on the sides, and then we do have this dashboard, which I will talk to you on the road, except the application that we have to connect the smartphone to your motorcycle. It's the KYMCO No Due or No Due, something like that, where we have here the dashboard, where we have this is the standard dashboard, navigation, where you have several tracks. It's a simple navigation. You put your route, press go, and then you have all the information here on the dashboard, which is super cool. You don't need anything else. Find my scooter. If unfortunately someone steals your scooter, you have this information here. You can find the scooter. Then you have the trips, the most recent trips, other people's trips. These are different dashboards from different users that we do have here. Okay, as you can see, there are several designs. You can customize whatever you want. And then I have my personal one, which is here in my creations, which is the one that I'm using. I customize it the way I want it, and I install it on this beautiful scooter. Of course, then we do have the preferences and everything to choose language, mile per hour, and all that stuff. And now that you see how the application works, let's go and hit the road. Here we are on board of the KYMCO, the AK Premium. Finally, I have this motorcycle, and I can honestly tell you it's a really pleasant motorcycle to ride. It's much lighter than the CV3, so the response is completely different. Even maneuverability and the response of the engine, everything is faster on this motorcycle. And for that, we just give it a little throttle and whoa! Here we go! 2 speeds that we should not be able to do on a scooter, but we can go on this one, and this is why I do like this AK 550 Premium for this interesting engine and more things that I will talk to you in a while. Another thing I like here is that I have 2 riding positions for my legs. I can stretch my legs, or I can take the 90 degrees, which is something we cannot do on the CV3. And the seat, I like this seat. It's wide, it's comfortable, and in my opinion it's a little bit more comfortable than the CV3. On the other hand, on the CV3 we do have the backrest for the rider that is adjustable in several positions, very easy adjust. On this one we do have an adjustment, but we have to stop the motorcycle, we have to open the seat and press the latch to adjust the backrest. Basically that's it. And since the seat is open, we do have more storage here on the AK Premium than we do have on the CV3. That's it. Basically the dashboard here is exactly the same. Here we have some differences here on the handlebar, and also on these buttons there are minor differences, but I'll get there in a while. Let's go to a place there where we have some curves and to continue this review. And now that we are here on these twisty roads, we're gonna have some fun, and I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the things here on the scooter. First things here, which are most important, it's the windscreen, really nice protection, and we are talking adjusted electronically with a touch of a button. The higher position for a tall guy like me, it's more than enough. It's wide and it does the job. As you saw before, I was going at interesting speeds, my head was stable without moving, and I'm wearing this off-road helmet, so I like the protection. The mirrors we have there, we have good visibility, no issues, they are there on the front. And we just have to wait here a little bit because we have the cyclists and everything. It's Sunday, there are all the cyclists here. Really nice complete dashboard, which I'll talk in a while. Here the handlebar, look how beautiful it is, everything super nice, super beautiful. We do have adjustments on both the levers. On the left side we have the heated grips, so we press this button down here, there's a sign there that's saying the heated grips is on 3 levels, so I'm gonna disconnect it, we don't need the heated grips. We have the mode button, which I'll talk to you in a while, daylights, cruise control, passing lights and high beams, low beams, blinkers left and right, the buttons for the windscreen and a horn. Handbrake, the starter for the motorcycle, so it's keyless. We have this button, press this button to start the motorcycle, and on the right side the kill switch. This orange button, it's basically for you to connect the Nodoi application. So whenever you start the motorcycle, you press this button, it will go to pairing mode. You pair and you download the application and everything. I will talk about that in a while. Then up and down buttons to change information on the dashboard in two places, either on the left side or in the center. I will explain in a while. We have this button here, which changes between left and center, and hazard lights and starter of the motorcycle. Basically, this is what we have here on this beautiful scooter. And now we're going to do some really nice curves with it, because it is a really interesting scooter that we have here. So let's go and have some fun. It goes really nice. I do like this scooter. More things here. We do have here the keyboard keys, which is similar to a piano keyboard. So it's four keys, where the gas, the seat, the trip, which changes between trip A, trip B, oil, belt and back to odometer, and the button to lock the motorcycle whenever you leave it. It is super simple, very similar to the CV3 that I brought in the channel, but different. There's an extra a button here that is different. I don't know which one it is, but there is one that is different. We have more. This beautiful dashboard, like I said. So on the left side we do have the RPMs and two information panels. On the top we do have a voltage, instant consumptions, front tire pressure, rear tire pressure, and back to the voltage. And if you go press down, this button down, we have the odometer, trip A, trip B, oil, and the belt and odometer. So this button works the same as this button, trip. Two buttons for the same thing? Yeah, I don't know. Don't ask me why. Then if we press this button to the right, this one down here, we now have control over the central console, where we can change between this one, which is my logo, as you can see there, and the default one for the motorcycle that says that we have the GPS and everything is connected, but I prefer the one with my logo. You can also put more information here, like to show you what's the weather for the next 3 or 4 days or something like that, but for this purpose I didn't think I would need that information. Other things here on the right side, we do have engine temperature, fuel level, and the speed. Basically that's it. Just give it throttle. The scooter is so interesting. Look at this. For a scooter, wow, really amazing the way this power mode works. Talking about power mode, I need to park. Let's park here to show you something. So we have two modes on this motorcycle: power mode and rain mode. And basically power mode, it's when this thing's orange. And we have two ways, with traction control and without traction control. So we use this button here, mode, now. And if it is blue, like it is now, it is rain mode. And basically rain mode, it limits the bike to 32 horsepower, which makes a really big difference. We're gonna start here in rain mode, and then we change for the other one. Then power mode with TCS off, power mode with TCS. So let's go in rain, and look, the response of the throttle, it is there, but it is not as fun as in the power mode. Basically it's a mode that on those rainy days it will help you a little bit more. The only thing here is that when you want to change, if I wanted to change again to power mode, I do have to stop somewhere before I am able to do that. I would like it if it would be possible to change while riding, but no. So I need to find a place where I can pull on the side. Let's do something here. Here it's a nice corner. Okay, I just park here. I just press now TCS off, TCS on. Now I'm on power mode with traction control, and basically now I'm gonna have more fun with it. There she goes. Really nice, interesting motorcycle. And we go here. Let's go here. Give it throttle. and enjoy these twisty roads that I have the pleasure to have here in my country, with this beautiful weather, and just being able to have the pleasure to ride this KYMCO AK Premium. It's something else. Like I said before, there are things that I do like on this motorcycle. Now again, it's more close to the reference on this market, which is from another brand. Everyone knows the T-Max. It's even closer to that one. I already explained to you what's the difference between one and the other in the beginning of the video. I'm not gonna repeat the same thing again, but I do like the way I feel on top or seated on this motorcycle. I feel everything is well balanced. The quality is here. Just the ability to configure your dashboard with your logo and everything, it makes the difference. Of course, we do have good brakes here. The brakes are from Brembo, so let me just see if after this corner there's a straight where I can do some braking tests. Give it a space. There's a cyclist coming down there, and if I do 3, 2, 1, and there it goes, it stopped, and then throttle again, and if I need again, stop. Everything working like a charm. Suspensions are really good, so we do have here a really nice scooter for your everyday commute. To travel with family, you can pick your wife and go on this scooter without any issues. If it was my scooter, I would personally install a top case, because I do need more space than the one that we have underneath the seat, because I do carry my helmet. Now I have my gearing stuff underneath the seat, so whenever I need to park, if I want to take off my jacket and everything, the top case would be really plus. Let's continue here with some cornering. Look at this. She really corners really well. It's an amazing how this motorcycle scooter behaves, because now we can almost call it a motorcycle. It behaves like a motorcycle, even if it's being a scooter. Woohoo! Super interesting, super fun to ride. Look at this. Wow! And there we go. Whoa, guys! I think I'm done. I'm gonna do just this right corner here. Woo-hoo-hoo! And I really hope that you like this presentation of the AK 550 Premium. In my opinion, not perfect. It's not the perfect one. Nah, there is no perfect motorcycle, okay? Everyone will find some default or something to complain about. Every motorcycle, every scooter, whatever it is, there is nothing that it is perfect, but it is close to perfection, just like my channel. So for that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye! Woo-hoo-hoo! There we go! Woo!